This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering clips that share frame rate and resolution, then import them into one event so Final Cut can manage them. Once done, select matching takes and make sure they're timecode synced or use audio sync for accuracy. Now, right-click and choose New Multicam Clip, select angle assembly settings like using timecode or audio, and set snapping preferences. This creates a single linked multicam asset so you can switch angles smoothly during editing. You then open the multicam clip in the angle viewer to inspect each camera. Enable audio waveforms so visual and sound alignment become obvious. Next, rename angles for quick identification, hide or disable unused tracks, and match color or exposure so cuts feel seamless. Also assign roles to audio tracks and trim angle clips to remove dead space. These steps reduce confusion later and ensure your timeline contains clean, consistent angles ready for live switching or manual editing. Now you perform the actual switching. Play the multicam in the timeline and cut live using the angle viewer, or make manual cuts and swap angles with the angle editor. Both give precise control. Once your edit is assembled, refine timing with JKL playback, tighten transitions, and balance audio levels for smooth mixes. If problems occur, check that all clips share identical timecode or resync using audio. Mismatched timecode is the most common issue, and fixing it restores perfect angle alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.